Good evening, everyone. My name is Sergio Rodriguez, and I am pleased to present the final activity for the English 6th course. Today, we will focus on the three fundamental grammatical points that are essential for effective communication in English. We will analyze the proper usage of article a, am, the function of key modal verbs for offers and ability can, could, would, might, and finally the structure and use of the present perfect tense. Topic 1. Article a and the. Let's begin with the articles a, and the. In the finite articles a and an, you say for the non-specific singular countable noun or when mentioning something for the first time. Use it before a consonant sound. Example, I need a pencil. She works as a doctor. And use before a vowel sound. Example, I ate an apple. It took an hour. The H is silent. Definite article. The. Use for a specific noun, unique item, or thing already mentioned. Example, specificity. I saw a dog in the park. The dog was friendly. Example, unique. The sun is bright today. Topic 2. Modal verb for offer and ability. Next, let's explore four important modal verbs used primarily to express ability and make offers. Can. Function. Ability in the present informal offer of request. Example. Ability. I can speak 3 languages. Example, offer. Can I help you with those bags? Could. Function. Ability in the past more polite or formal request. Offer. Example, past ability. When I was young, I could run fast. Example, polite request. Could you please repeat that? Verb. Function. Mainly used for very polite offer, especially invitation. Example, polite offer. Would you like a glass of water? Might. Function. Expresses possibility or uncertainty, not used for direct offer or ability. Example, possibility. She might arrive late due to traffic. Topic 3. Present perfect. Our last topic is the present perfect tense, which connects past action to the present. Structure. The structure is subject, more have or has, more past participle, main use, like experience. Usage. To talk about action that happened at some point in life, without specifying the time. Example, she has traveled to Asia. It happened sometime in her life. Unfinished action. Usage. Action that start in the past and continue up the present. We use for a duration. I have known him for 10 years. Signs. For a starting point. They have lived here since 2022. Recent action. Use action that finished recently. often used with just or already. Example, we have just finished the meeting. To summarize, we have covered three fundamental topics today. We learned how to correctly use the article for specificity, how to use modal verbs like can and were for offer and ability, and how to apply the present perfect tense to discuss life experience and ongoing action. Mastering these elements is crucial for achieving fluency and precision in English. Thank you very much for your attention.